So Mercury is the closest, and it's very hot, and it's just a big rocky planet, just like the moon. It's just all rocks. There's no air, and there's no water. On Venus, there's air, but it's not air that we can breathe. It would be bad for us to breathe. It would make us choke. And it's so hot, it's like the inside of the oven, because it's so close to the sun. Okay? And then, what's this one? This is blue pen.
The Earth.
Why is it
where
blue?
we live.
Why does it look so blue? It's covered in
streets.
not all of it. A lot of it's not covered in streets yet. But most of it is covered in water. And water looks blue, and so does the air. So it looks blue. That's our planet. And this moon goes around our planet.
But
okay?
why is there green?
Those are the continents, like where people live, where there's green trees and grass and things like that. What are the white things?
The houses.
These big white things that look long and wispy. What are those? They're not houses.
Mountains.
Clouds.
Wow.
Remember when we look up at the clouds, they look white and puffy? It's the same thing when you look down at them from space. They look white and puffy. So that's Earth. Next is, remember that what the big red spot on Jupiter was?
A storm.
It's a big storm, that's right, like a hurricane. And it circles and circles around like a hurricane. The winds blow and there's lightning.
How long has it been there?
And it's been there for how long? Do you remember? Like 1 year?
2 years.
More than 100 years. Like hundreds of years, at least 400. That's when somebody first saw it. Okay? So it's at least 400 years old. Can you believe that? Yeah, it's a long time. So, that's Jupiter. And now, remember what Saturn has that's special?
A ring.
A ring. And what's a ring? Kind of like an asteroid belt. It's a lot of dust and rocks and little pieces of things that never turned into a moon. So, it has a ring and it looks very pretty. It shines in the sunlight. We can look at a picture of it later. Would you like that? What's that? Uranus.
Uranus. But why does it have like a flower on top of it?
Where? Show me. That? I don't know why they showed that. Maybe that's just what it looks like. Uranus is very special because it instead all the planets turn like this. See? See how the ring turns like this? But Uranus turns like this. See how it's different than this?
Yeah, because those are flat, and then this is side, so that.
Right, it turns on its side, and no one knows exactly why. Some people have some ideas, but no one knows for sure. The astronomers that are scientists are still studying that, so you could study that. And Uranus has some moons, and it has a small ring, a very small ring. It took a long time to see it.
Well, I like it best.
That's your favorite? Well, you can go there then. And then Neptune is another planet that's like Uranus, but it's farther away from the sun.
And
very
it's
cold.
bigger.
It's a little smaller than Uranus, actually. This picture isn't quite right. And it also has a small ring, and it has a couple of moons.
It's a
Actually, it has
big
a lot of
ring.
moons.
The sun.
This is a funny thing. When this puzzle was made, people thought that there was a planet called Pluto. But you know what? Since the puzzle was made, some people decided that it's not really a planet. They think it's